10 days ago, we announced within the business the setup of a new business within our business called Special Operations, and I have the privilege of running the Special Operations business. We make special vehicles, special products and services. We look at the heritage business, we look at recreations. You're probably aware that we're building 6 lightweight E-types. So the heritage business, we're looking at bespoke and personalisation. We look at branded goods, licensing, merchandise, but at the heart of our business is special vehicles. And we set up a new division, Special Vehicles Operations. We will have a new facility. This is an artist's impression, so I'm not able to reveal where that facility will be. I am able to say it's a 20,000 square metre facility, which is pretty big. At that factory, we will have a specialist team. We'll probably have about 150 to 200 people there, and we'll be focusing on high performance, derivatives, luxury halo products, and what we call collector editions or premium editions. Importantly, as you can see, this is a Jaguar and Land Rover operation. So whilst we're here today to talk about Jaguar, it is a Jaguar and Land Rover special operations, and we'll be making vehicles for both brands. And of course, the collector edition, Project 7, is a great example of a collector's edition. Why do we say a collector's edition? Because the number of cars we're going to build is a very specific number, up to 250 and 250 only. Vehicles is at the heart of the business, clearly, and we need a specialist team and an expert team to run that business. And that's why I recruited Paul to manage this area of the business.
We've always liked asking that question, because we've always liked finding out the answer. 2 simple words. What if? 1 stunning answer. Project 7.
Project 7, to me, represents the very essence of what F-Type is all about. The car has been designed and engineered for a very specific and discerning audience, and that's why it is such a small number of these cars that we are producing. We're working to an aggressive timing plan for the delivery of this car. We're going into production just 12 months after we confirmed and agreed that we were going to take the car forward. And the vehicle will arrive in the market in spring 2015 with the intention that we will build the entire limited run and deliver them to customers during the summer of next year. In design, the vehicle remains extremely faithful to the concept. It has evolved. We still have the D-Type inspired fairing, and we have all of the elements that were fundamental to the visuals of that car. We have added a passenger seat, so this is no longer a single-seater. The car is a 2-seater car. We have, as I said, a practical roof option for the vehicle, and we've increased stowage as well, so you can actually go away in the car. You don't have to consider it just as a Sunday morning vehicle. We've achieved an 80 kilogram reduction over the standard F-Type with this vehicle, which is a fairly substantive difference. It's slightly less than I weigh, but it is still a fairly substantial amount. The design has been evolved aerodynamically so that we've got a greater aero performance from this car than we had at the concept stage, and also that we have in the standard F-Type convertible. The car has 177% more downforce at max speed than the standard convertible car. Quite simply, it's our most powerful Jaguar road car yet, and I will say yet, but it is our most powerful Jaguar road car. A product of passion, pinnacle of Jaguar's performance sports car range. The Project 7 benefits from bespoke engineering from SVO. It uses the 5-litre supercharged V8 as we have in F-Type R, but we have taken the output of that up. So the car has 575 PS, which is an increase of 25 over the F-Type R Coupe, and it will have a minimum of 680 Newton meters. 0 to 60 will be delivered in 3.8 seconds. Max speed 186. This will make it our fastest F-Type to date. If you look at the car, you look at the style of the car, you look at the fantastic design work that has been done by Ian and his team and has been translated. And it's important to understand that this is also a fundamentally re-engineered vehicle. So its style identifies a different purpose for this car, and we have taken all of that into the engineering of the car. It's the fastest F-Type, it's the fastest road-going Jaguar ever. We're expecting it to produce the fastest Nürburgring time Jaguar have ever achieved.